Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts. Welcome to episode 2 of our mystery kit challenge that we're working on. Last episode learned some things about this mystery kit, heavy in confetti, and putting things in numerical order, not the best way to do things. I've started to identify and memorize these symbols and the colors that are going along with this one. For instance, we have this Z907 that has, I don't even know if this is going to show up, but we're going to try. That little circle thing on it, and then we have this 703 that has that little symbol on it. So since I've started to recognize these symbols now, I went through and I reorganized what I've got here. I still have my A through Z, X, Y, whatever it is, and then my 1 through 5. And then what I've done is I went ahead and pulled out the majority of the greens, the blues, and the browns, with the exception of, the alphabet part of it. And now that I know what colors are associated with these symbols, we're gonna try doing it this way. Now, I still have a little bit of miscellaneous ones that I'm not using a whole lot of, haven't really seen a whole lot of them, so just kind of have those off to the side. But I will say, I went ahead and did a section already, kind of off camera, just to kind of see how that was gonna work. And I got it done fairly quickly, I feel like. So the plan this week is to use this new system of how I've put things together and see how much I can actually get done this time around. So when I look at last week's stuff, we did 13,872 diamonds in that 14.5 hour mark. So let's see what we can do this week. That's the plan, to see what we can do this week in the same amount of time in about 14 hours. My goal is to try and get about 18 to 24 hours worth of work done this week and get a little bit further along here on this diamond painting. So let's go ahead and get started. halfway through in this episode now, and I will say it's going a little bit better. I believe the strategy that we're working through by separating the colors out, recognizing what is where. We've had a couple of sections that have been a little bit easier than others, and now I'm starting to even recognize more patterns throughout this whole thing, which is nice. We're going to continue on with what we've got. I only have 3 prime number sections left. And then from there, I'm just going to start randomizing. I'm just going to start picking sections to do and start revealing more of this mystery kit. I hope you guys are enjoying what you're seeing so far. Now, if you haven't yet, go ahead and take a look at the description down below. There are links to several different things that you can do to help the channel. There's a PayPal link to give a tip. Every little bit helps for this tiny little small content creator. You also have Patreon. We have launched that now. We have revamped it. There are new things going on with that. We have a mascot now here for the channel. So I hope you guys take a look at that. And then lastly, if you're new to Diamond Art Club and you would like $10 off your first order, go ahead and look in the description down below, click on that link and use that code Ryan's Candles Crafts, and you'll get $10 off your order. Now let's go ahead and get back into this painting and see what we can finish up with. For today. I got a lot done. I got a lot done. Now, at the beginning of the episode, I had mentioned around noticing the symbols with the colors and then grouping all of that together. So I've done that. I grouped my greens, my blues, my browns, all of that was grouped together, kept the alphabet the way it needed to be. And I improved. I did. I improved on how much more I got done. Now, granted, I did do more this time around, but I did, when I look at last week I did about 14 and a half hours. This week I did 15 hours and 51 minutes. So an hour and 20 minutes more. But with that hour and 20 minutes more and identifying the symbols with the colors and recognizing that as I'm doing the painting, I was able to do some calculations. And bear with me because this is where my mind goes. I'm an analytical person. I like to dive into the numbers and improve efficiencies and see where was I at before, where am I at now? And to me, this is actually kind of interesting. So when I look at last week, when I look at when we first started this, I was doing about 956 drills per hour placed. Okay, that's what I was doing. And that was based on the total amount of drills that I did divided by the amount of hours that I worked. Now, when I look at this week and I look at the amount of drills that I placed versus the amount of hours that I did, I actually increased by 134 per hour. This week, I did 17,301 diamonds, which is about 15%. So total overall, we're at about 26-27% completed. But again, I was able to increase what I was able to do by sorting it out this way. So I'm happy with that. But it got me to thinking about halfway through this week. I said to myself, okay, there's got to be a different way of doing things too. There's got to be a better way. So naturally, I go onto Amazon and I start looking. Go into the Facebook groups and start asking questions. Well, I think I found something that might help. But you're going to have to wait till next week to see what that's going to be about. Oh, I don't know. We'll see how things go. We will. I'm very curious to see how much more efficient that we can be week over week when it comes to placing these drills down. I'm getting a really good flow of this too. I'm really recognizing the different areas and how the pattern is working and being able to also make sure that I'm looking for the symbols that there's the most of or that are easier to read. I'll tell you in some of these that I've done, looking at like the symbols that have the darkers, like, so if I look at this and I see these, I'm like, okay, that's going to be really easy for me to spot. But if I see something that's like this, that's not easy to spot. No, it's not. Or like a 4 and 5 that's in there. Not easy to see. But once I start building it around it, a little bit easier to see. Again, analytical mind, that's where I go. It's who I am. I like it. Anyway, that's what we have for this week. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Again, it's going to take longer than what I expected to. We may not have a video next week. We may go a couple weeks in between. Just depends. But let me know what you think in the comments below. How do you work your mystery kits? Are you someone who takes your time? Do you want to get it done as soon as possible? This is a much bigger kit than I was anticipating. It's 116,000 diamonds. Didn't know what I was getting myself into. Still working through the kinks of all these things, but this is giving me some really good data and some really good insight as to how I'm going to approach this stuff moving forward. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified on when we upload videos. If you would like to help support the channel, look in the description down below. There are links down there to be able to do so. We have Patreon, PayPal, Diamond Art Club, link in the description below with a code that you can use for $10 off your next order. Patreon, we've got some really good things going on there. We have relaunched. We have our new dragon mascot that's on there that I really like. And we've got some other interesting things getting ready to happen for the channel as well, too. So drop a comment and let me know that you're here. That's all we have for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.